Look, as a man, your life will be hard. It will be a difficult life. I want you to keep pushing even when things get hard. And I'm gonna help you out with 5 steps, starting with number 1. You have to change your mindset. You have to understand emotions aren't stable. See, the reason why most people quit when things get hard, it could be with your school, it could be in sports, it could be in the gym. The reason you quit when things get hard is because you think, man, I am uncomfortable, I can't do this anymore, let me stop and get a little bit of comfort. You have to understand that whatever emotion you are experiencing, it is always temporary. Your happiness, your motivation, your pain, your struggle, your stress, nothing will ever be 100% of the time. So once you get away from just operating on your pure emotion and operating because something needs to get done, and you change your mind from, all right, I'm no longer gonna work just because my emotions are right. Or my mental health is right. I'm gonna work because this has to get done. See, your work, your goals, whatever it is that you want in life, it has no emotion, it has no feelings. It doesn't care about the fluctuating state of your mental health or your emotions. All of this still needs to get done. So whatever it is that you want to do in life, remember, your emotions aren't stable. You cannot listen to them. If there's something that has to be completed, you must complete it, no matter where your barometer of emotion is. This takes me to number 2. What I just said is not easy to do. You have to practice doing those hard things. See, what I just said is the hardest part of doing hard things, especially when they are hard. To do things when they're hard and you also do not want to do them is extremely difficult because your mind is programmed on the opposite. Your mind is programmed to conserve you energy and to avoid you discomfort, both of which it does against when there's hard things that you do not want to do. This is why when you're faced with them, it is increasingly difficult to actually get yourself to do those things. You have to do them on a smaller scale. I'll give you an example. Every morning when you wake up, do your bed. That's one way to practice. It takes you 2 minutes of commitment. And I promise you, almost every morning that you wake up, you're not gonna wanna do your bed. That's the reality. You have to rush out, you'll make every excuse in the book, yada, 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 but I want you to fight every single urge you have to not do that bed, turn right around and make that bed. Every morning that you're about to hit that snooze, this was a hard one, especially when you're half asleep and you're not fully conscious. I want you to fight with every ounce of strength to not hit that snooze and get out of bed. It's a split-second decision. And the more you practice these little wins, the more you train yourself to fight against your brain so you can do those hard things, the real hard things that when they present themselves in front of you that you do not want to do, you have the ability to fight your own mind and get that thing done. Number 3, use some sort of crutch. Look, again, hard things are supposed to be hard. Whenever you get to a situation that you're like, man, this is increasingly difficult, I can no longer do this, congratulations, welcome, you are here, right? It is supposed to be tough. No one's saying that this is gonna be a joyride or it's gonna be simple. So find ways to make it simple. An easy one that I always like to revert to is the gym, right? Going to the gym every single day to stay healthy, it is not simple. I would say, especially the more you do it, I've been going to the gym for 10, 12 years. The more you do it, like after so many years, like it almost gets a little bit tiring unless you have some new stimuli. That's why I love music, right? Oh shoot, new Drake album, new Bad Bunny album. I don't care how much I do not want to go to the gym. I'll grab my earbuds, I'll throw them in, and even if I'm half asleep, I'm gonna move through the motions, right? And then as I'm in there, I start get pumping. And then I'm into it, and how I'm finishing that workout. I used a crutch. For me, it was music. And actually, for a lot of people, it is. Scientifically speaking, when you listen to music that has more bass, you are more motivated and also end up performing and enduring longer in your physical activities. This has been proven by science. This is why it's something that I recommend so much. When you're doing a difficult task, when you're doing something you don't want to do, you're running, you're working out, you're working on a project, listening to music could be a great motivator. And these from Raycon, which are hands down one of the best models you can get. Look, when it comes to earbuds, they can get expensive, especially the new ones, the Bluetooth. Look, they're nice, but they're pricey. You need to find something that's not gonna break the bank and it looks good. That's what I love about Raycon. With Raycon, you get an almost custom, perfect in-ear fit that no matter how much you're moving, that thing never comes out. You get almost 54 hours of playtime, seamless Bluetooth integration, and obviously full music controls right from the earbuds, and an overall just premium quality without breaking the bank. Now, right now, because it's the holidays, you can't go pick them up yourself at a Walmart or a Kohl's, but let me tell you, best offer you're ever gonna get is with your boy right here, clicking the link down below, going to buyraycon.com/TMF, and then using the code HOLIDAY to get it 15% site-wide. You gotta keep in mind that right now for the holidays, you're probably looking for premium gifts. Raycon doesn't just have these earbuds, they have your speakers, they have your headphones, which is a gift that almost anybody, your mom, your dad, your sister, your brother, your best friend, anybody would love, and you're getting it at the best. They're already affordable. With this 15% off discount for the holidays, yo, this is a complete steal. So again, don't be selfish. Don't just pick up for yourself. Pick up a pair for your brother, for your sister, for your friend, for your mom, for whoever you're buying gifts for. This is the time to shine. Yo, if you guys want to check out Raycon and pick up yourself quality earbuds or headphones or speakers, click that link down below. Number 4, understand everyone feels the same thing. See, we as humans have this interesting capacity that when we're going through something difficult, we like to feel sorry for ourselves and think, man, nobody understands. Nobody understands my struggle and everything. I don't know why we do it yet. There's 8 billion people out there and almost everyone has confronted your same issues, whether they're girl issues, life issues, can't pay your bill issues, getting fired issues. These issues are faced by almost everyone. What that basically tells you is that, again, remove emotions from the problem, from that hard thing that you're facing. Again, this does not minimize the fact that it's a hard thing. What it should do is highlight into your mind that, first of all, you're not special, right? This happens to anybody and everybody. How you react to it will make you special. How are you going to solve the problem that's ahead of you? Once you remove that emotion and start understanding, okay, this is not just me, it's not just about me, this could happen to anyone, how do we fix it? And that's what actually matters. Once you take off that emotion and start feeling sorry for yourself and actually start executing action plans to try to solve whatever problem you're in, that's when you start doing those hard things instead of just wallowing in the pain. Which finally takes me to number 5. No one's going to save you. In business, in your health, with your fitness, with girls, with your women problems, with coworker problems, with friend problems. I don't care what problem you have with your school, with your tests. No one is gonna save you. No one's gonna give you a, hey buddy, helping hand from out of no. You gotta look for it. You gotta network. You gotta make the connections. You gotta bring the value. You gotta bring the leverage. And even when you do make the connections, they don't owe you anything. You're gonna get no's after no's after no's. Again, I'm talking to you from experience here. No one is gonna save you. No one will care about you more than you. That is the reality of life. That is the world that we live in, and you have to come to terms with that. So when you're facing hard problems, again, don't feel sorry for yourself. Don't just beat yourself up and think, man, maybe somebody's gonna save me. You will sit and wait your entire life. Life will pass right in front of you because you decided not to take action in hopes that somebody would save you. No one's gonna save you. You gotta save yourself.